today we're going to talk about functions. All right, these are a set of numbers in what is called a relation. So I want to know if these are a function or not. So I go to my chart. Do the x's repeat? So the best way I find it is to label all your x's. Your x's in your domain and your input are always the first number. So I have 2, 5, and 7 are my domain or my x points. Do any of those repeat? No, they do not. This is a function. It's that simple. I don't even have to look at the y's or the range. Now the second one here, this is a second relation. All right, I'm going to write all my x's out first. So I have 1, 2, 4, and I have another 1. That's my domain. Do I have an x that repeats? Yes. So now I have to ask my second question. What is my range or my output? I have 2, 3, 6, and 3. That's just me writing out my range. All right? All right. So this one and this one are the ones I look for. 1, 2, and 1, 3. Are the y's the same there? Absolutely not. 2 and 3 are not the same thing. No, this is not a function. It is that simple. I just showed you this to show you how to write out the range if you ever needed to. But that's all you have to look for. So I have a repeating of 1, 2, and 3 are not the same thing. No, not a function. It really is that easy. Don't get caught up in all the words and everything that they try to show you. Always go through it and make sure that you're very thorough about it. All right, I'm going to show you a mapping and then I'm going to show you the vertical line test. All right, this is called mapping. It's a different way. So all you need to make sure here is that for every one input, so 1 goes to 6, 2 goes to 5, 3 goes to 3. Do any of my x's repeat? No. The way you check to see if an x repeats here is if there's 2 lines off of it. So let's say I added, right now this is a function. What if I added that in? It is no longer a function because it's saying one time I put in 1 and I get 3. Next time I put in 1, I get 6. That makes it not a function. But as long as you only have the one line coming off your x, you're good. Now this one down here, is this a function? Well, let's go by our chart. Do the x's repeat? In this case, do I have 2 lines off of any of my numbers? No, I don't. So is it a function? Yes, it is. It's that simple. They can all have the same output as long as 2 x's don't have different outputs. All right, this is the vertical line test. This is the way to tell if something is a function looking at the graph. So it's exactly what it says. You just draw a vertical line which is up and down. It should only hit one spot on what is graphed. So you're trying to hit 2 spots. In this case, I can only hit 1, so it's a function. So if it hits only 1 spot when you're drawing it through your shape, it is a function. If it hits more than 1 spot, such as here, hit there and there, that is not a function. Here, function only hits at 1 spot. Here, hits at 2, not a function. And that is the vertical line test. It really is that easy. All you're doing is drawing a line straight up and down, trying to hit 2 spots. All right, this has been basic functions, how to find a function, input, output, domain range, and the vertical line test. I hope this helps and good luck.